This is Sean Blair reporting for ESA-Web TV. Humans have always had a surprisingly close relationship with meteorites. We've worshipped them, we've made tools out of them. Egypt's King Tutankhamun had a dagger made out of meteoric iron. We've even lived inside impact craters, as in the case of Nordlingen in Germany, with a church made out of impacted rock. And that relationship goes on to this day in the shape of this building here, the headquarters of the DCOS company, just across the road from ESA's Technical Centre in the Netherlands. Now, this building not only looks like a crashed meteorite, it actually has a real meteorite at its heart. Let's go take a look. And here it is, a sizable chunk of iron meteorite, slap bang in the middle of the DCOS offices. And the person who brought it here is the founder and owner of DCOS, Paul Vega. Why do you have a piece of meteorite in your office?
Well, we have a piece of meteorite here as a symbol for sustainability. We believe in a new society that will be digital and paperless and will be all sustainable. And we think this is a symbol of what sustainability looks like. This is 4.5 billion years old. So if we can make a sustainable society, we'll go forward as long as this goes backward.
And you haven't just set it in a location at random. It's placed in a very precise point of the building with a window up above.
Yes, we have the sun coming here once a year on June 21st, when the sun is at the highest point. It will hit the meteorite once. So it's our own mini Stonehenge kind of moment.
All right. And where did the idea come from to get the stone in the first place?
Well, it was actually Rob van den Berg from Space Expo that pointed us at the idea of when you have a building that looks like a meteorite, you should actually have a real one. And I was surprised that it is possible to have a real one, and I'm really happy to have it here.
Purchasing the meteorite was arranged with the help of Rob van den Berg, who joins us now. Rob's the director of Space Expo, ESTEC's neighbouring visitor centre, because actually it turned out that Paul didn't just buy one meteorite, he bought two. The other one is here on long-term loan, so the general public can go see and touch a piece of the solar system for themselves. So Rob, where does the asteroid come from?
Well, they come from Campo del Cielo, a location at Argentina, South America, where we already found more than 100,000 kilograms of the same asteroid that fell there probably 5,000 years ago.
What do we know about it? It's made of iron?
Yeah, it is iron. It's quite heavy. This piece alone weighs almost 70 kilograms. And you can see it's a meteorite because of what we call these thumbprints. They are caused by the wind blowing on the molten layer, the molten outer side, and the asteroid hits the atmosphere, and then later it solidifies, and you still see the thumbprints. So you see at a glance it's a meteorite.
As the kind of caretaker of a meteorite, what do you have to do to look after it?
Well, almost nothing, because it's quite hard. It was corroded when we bought it, and we got rid of all the corrosion, so it got very shiny, and now it stays shiny because everybody can touch it. So people touch a piece of the solar system, and in this way it stays shiny. And it's the oldest thing that you can ever touch in your life. It's older than Earth itself. We estimate it at 4.7 billion years old. It might be a little bit younger, but it's older than 4 billion years anyway.
When did it fall on Earth?
Yeah, we estimate 5,000 years ago, and it fell in a swamp area that has now been dedicated as a natural reserve, so nothing can be taken out of this location anymore.
Would you like to acquire any more meteorites in future?
Yes, because this is an iron meteorite. There are many more types. We have rocky or stone meteorites, and we have anything in between, also with lovely minerals and crystals in it, so I would like to acquire some more, yes.
And Space Expo also has a piece of the moon.
Yes, we have. We are one of the few locations in the world where you can get very nearby a real moon rock that has been taken from the last moon mission. So you can see with your own eyes how the moon looks like.
Well, come to Space Expo, have a look for yourself. In the meantime, this is Sean Blair for ESA-Web TV, signing off.